Hello and welcome to the session. Employee Relations, LO1, analyze how changes and developments in society, the work, context, and employment have influenced the employment relationship. How do societal changes affect employment relationships? This video explores the evolving dynamics between management and employees in various organizational contexts. Discover how understanding these relationships is crucial for developing effective employee relations strategies. Globalization has reshaped employment relationships worldwide. Organizations must adapt to diverse cultural contexts and international regulations. Advances in technology facilitate remote work, impacting how employees connect. Increased competition demands more flexible work arrangements. Understanding these factors is vital for maintaining positive employment relationships. Societal changes influence workplace expectations. Diversity and inclusivity are now critical in employment practices. Work-life balance has become a priority for many employees. Ethical behaviors are increasingly demanded from organizations. These shifts affect how employment relationships are formed and maintained. Employment law is fundamental in shaping relationships. Laws vary across countries, impacting organizational compliance. Contractual obligations define employer and employee rights. Understanding collective employment law is crucial for organizations. Adapting to legal frameworks ensures fair and positive work environments. Family businesses face unique employment challenges. Societal values influence work-life balance and flexibility. Family traditions shape personalized work cultures. Employment contracts outline expectations and obligations. Compliance with labor laws remains essential for these businesses. MNCs operate in complex legal environments. They must adhere to international labor standards. Cultural diversity demands inclusive policies. Remote work practices facilitate global collaboration. These factors shape employment relationships in MNCs. The gig economy offers flexibility but lacks security. Workers value autonomy over job stability. Digital platforms facilitate work arrangements. Legal challenges include worker classification and rights. Employment relationships in this sector are evolving rapidly. Technology revolutionizes work dynamics. Remote work and digital platforms offer flexibility. However, they blur work-life boundaries. Employers face challenges in performance monitoring. Balancing technology's benefits and drawbacks is crucial. Flexible work arrangements enhance job satisfaction. They allow employees to tailor work to their needs. However, they may lead to job insecurity. Organizations must implement these arrangements thoughtfully. Balancing flexibility with stability is key. Agile work practices shift power dynamics. Employees gain more autonomy in decision-making. This fosters creativity and job satisfaction. However, it challenges traditional accountability structures. Organizations must redefine management roles. Ethical considerations are vital in employment. Organizations must prioritize corporate social responsibility. Ethical practices enhance employee morale and reputation. They may require changes in decision-making processes. Balancing ethics with business objectives is essential. Diversity fosters positive employment relations. Inclusive practices ensure all employees feel valued. They improve collaboration and innovation. However, managing diversity requires cultural awareness and training. Organizations must commit to ongoing inclusivity efforts. Work-life balance is increasingly important. Flexible arrangements support employee well-being. However, they pose challenges for team cohesion. Employers must find ways to monitor performance effectively. Balancing personal and professional life is crucial. Societal developments shape employment dynamics. They influence work-life balance and inclusivity. Ethical behaviors become more prominent. Organizations must adapt to these changes. Understanding their impact is key to positive relationships. Work context developments redefine employment. Technology and flexible arrangements offer new opportunities. They also introduce challenges like job insecurity. Organizations must navigate these changes carefully. Balancing benefits and drawbacks is essential. Developments have positive employment impacts. Flexibility enhances work-life balance and satisfaction. Inclusivity fosters a collaborative environment. Ethical practices improve employee morale. Organizations benefit from these positive changes. Some developments have mixed impacts. Technology offers flexibility but challenges well-being. Flexible arrangements can lead to insecurity. Power dynamics shift, requiring new management styles. Organizations must balance these mixed effects. Some changes negatively affect employment. The gig economy lacks security and benefits. Workers may feel undervalued and exploited. Organizations must address these negative impacts. Ensuring fair treatment is crucial for positive relations. Creating positive employment relationships is vital. Organizations must adapt to societal and work changes. Implementing inclusive practices is essential. Ethical decision-making enhances trust and morale. Flexibility should be balanced with stability. Successful strategies involve clear policies and guidelines. Ethical frameworks support decision-making. Inclusivity efforts must be ongoing and genuine. Flexibility should not compromise job security. Organizations must navigate changes thoughtfully. In conclusion, changes and developments in society, the work context, and patterns of employment have significantly influenced the employment relationship. Factors such as technological advancement, flexible working arrangements, globalization, and changing employee expectations have reshaped how employers and employees interact. Social and economic changes have also increased the focus on equality, well-being, and work-life balance, leading to new policies and management practices. Analyzing these influences demonstrates how employment relationships must continue to adapt in order to remain effective, fair, and mutually beneficial in an evolving workplace environment. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 07484361688.